Microwave fudge, you're going to need a glass bowl, a 14-ounce sweetened condensed milk, vanilla, 1 teaspoon, a 12-ounce semi-sweet chocolates, and an 8x8 pan, and a microwave. So let's begin. So you're going to start by sticking your chocolate into your your glass bowl. I have to go get some scissors. And you're going to stick your condensed milk in next. And you are going to stick this in the microwave for 3 minutes, and you are going to stir it up. So you're going to have something that looks like this. It may bubble over, so you'll have to clean your microwave over. Make sure you use oven mitts when you pull this out, because it'll be really hot. Now we are going to mix this. And if you find that your chocolate isn't melted, you can re-microwave it for a couple more minutes. So when you get this all mixed, you're going to add your 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now would be good, I guess. So your 1 teaspoon. And then you're just going to mix this in. And then you are going to stick it in your your 8x8 pan with a piece of foil in. And then you are going to stick this in your refrigerator, and you're going to let it set. This is also sticky as well. So, yeah. Just gonna use your hot mitts again because, like I said, this is hot. Maybe kind of position it so that you can pour it. Okay, I got it. This is stupid. And it is already thick, so the process has already sort of begun. Okay, so you're going to evenly spread out your fudge. Alright. Then you're going to stick this in your refrigerator and you're going to let it set. And then fudge will look something like this, and after it's set in the refrigerator and it's ready to eat. I hope you enjoy your microwave fudge, and I will see you guys later. Bye.